Hey guys, so a few months back, I venturing on YouTube and came across a video about somebody selling digital downloads on Etsy.com. I have sold so many digital downloads on eBay and other websites, but I have never tried Etsy.com. So I've seen so many videos and people that are selling on Etsy. I'll show you here. Like for example, if you go to Etsy and go to search and you type in logo, you're gonna come across a lot of people and they have many reviews like this one 1684 reviews, and they sell them for good price. I mean, and they're simple logos. Most of them are copy and paste, but I prefer to make my own designs and I know what people are looking for. These are very easy to make on Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, but I'm going to show you how you can make this type of logos with CorelDraw, which is the software that I use. They're very simple to make and you can make good money by selling a whole bunch of them. So let's begin with CorelDraw, and we have here, I'm using CorelDraw 6, and let's begin with just a simple how I start making this type of designs, and they can be used for either real estate or construction, painting. They use them for many stuff. And now, as you saw me, let me show you again. I just made a rectangle and just click on arrange, go to shaping, weld, and just double click. And I usually start with a dot in the center. Doesn't have to be perfect. You can just do one side and one side like this. And again, this type of designs are very simple to make in CorelDraw. And let me show you. We basically gonna draw a house, and we're gonna do a chimney here, and they're very easy to make. You just do three dots, lift up like this, another dot. You can do either straight like a tube, or you can do more elaborate chimney. I'll show you how to do it. You can just let me zoom in this, or let me just make this bigger. Do another dot and pull this down like this. That's an elaborate chimney. But I mean, it's up to you if you want to make it smaller or bigger. I think that's too big for our house. So let's make it a little smaller. Maybe not so small. Maybe like that. I mean, it's all up to you. Whatever you want to do. You can make it smaller, bigger, whatever. Alright, so now let's zoom this out. And now we're going to do the shape of the house, okay? We're going to go shapes, and you can see it's a triangle. It's a three-dimension shape. So what I do here, I usually just stretch this until it fits perfect, like that, and just pull one copy down, copy, highlight, click letter C for center, trim, and there you go. Again, these are very easy to make. You can make maybe 10 of this in 1 hour. I have made so many of this for my local customers and they loved it. Again, they're not complicated logos. They're very easy to make. You can make good money, definitely. Just simple tools. Practice and you will get better at this. And now let's get rid of that. And I have many more tutorials on different type of logos that you can also sell on Etsy or online. And the windows are very simple to make. You can make 4 squares. On this occasion, I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna do this. You know what I'm gonna do? Weld, then split. All right, so I'm gonna make a dot here and get rid of this one. I'm gonna do rounded curve. Always make squares, and now I want to do something different. So okay, let's get rid of that. All right, center, weld, some color, make a copy here and another one here. Okay, I think we got something here. You can add 2 more squares down. It's whatever, it's up to you, whatever you want to do. All right, now let's make this small. And one for this side. Just grab triangle, click C for center, do the same for this side. All right, see how simple it is? Just get practice and just add below here. What I notice people like are like 2 lines here. Let's say an example here, just do 2 of them, grab like this. And again, as I said, fonts make a huge impact on your logo depending on what type of font you use. Put construction LLC. Okay, so let's get a nice font. Arrange, break. There are certain fonts that you need to break. Like for example, this one, if you break, it will come apart. Well, not this one, but there's another one that I have that will change the shape, and you just double click weld twice and that will fix the problem. You know, in fact, let me show you. I believe it's this one. Yes, it's this one. Okay, let's go to range, break, and let me show you now. If you go to shaping and click weld, you see this? This is what I mean. See that? Now, what you're gonna do is click weld twice. You gotta do it twice. Boom, it's gone, fixed. So there's certain fonts, if that happens to you, just do that. It will fix the problem. All right, so now we're gonna just grab a square, grab the line, center, trim, boom, gone. All right, so what we're gonna do now is place this here and center. See, very simple designs. You can make a lot of this and make good money. And another one that I notice people love on my sales are, let's type in construction. And again, the font will play a huge role on your design. So make sure you download a lot of different types of fonts. Just we're gonna curve this to maybe 18, 17 degrees. Yeah, like that is fine. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use Bezier this time and just do one click here. All right, if you don't like the shape, you can always change it, no problem. So like that. If this is too big, you want to stretch it more, no problem at all. No problem. Here's another way I'm going to show you how to do a chimney. Let me stretch this more. All right, let's make this smaller. Okay, so here's a way you can make a chimney quick. Just add a rectangle, make it smaller, bigger, whatever. Boom, done. Okay, now let's grab let's break this. You know what, I don't want to make, if you already made a design, a window, you can use the same one. Okay, let me show you how you can make this to the same angle that this goes. There are many ways you can do this. Go to Window, Dockers, and Envelope, and click Add Present, Apply, and boom, gone. All right, now let's zoom in. I actually zoom out. Okay. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do this the same angle that this house is facing. Okay, so you can do many ways. There's many ways you can do this, and the one that you want to do will depend on you, like the type of shape that you want to, or impression you want to make, the angle on the design. So there are many ways you can do this. Just practice and you will eventually find a good design, simple one. Like I said on other videos, you don't have to do fancy logos. Just make one that's gonna be unique and simple. And see, I already have 2 logos. I can make more, and you can just I'll show you a trick here. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is give this designs a good look. And one trick that I use is that I give this all of my logos a metallic gold impression. So let me show you. I got this from Google. Just type in gold background and you will find a lot of backgrounds there. Make sure you get one that's free. Don't get one that has watermarks. Get one that's free. Okay, all right, so what are we gonna do here is we're gonna make this smaller, of course. And you know what, we can actually weld this, make it all in one shape. And we're gonna do the same with this one, weld, and make it small. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna grab a rectangle here and just trim grab the rectangle and choose the background, trim. You will see this. Don't panic, it's okay. I'll show you what I'm gonna do. And I actually made a video about this too, this trick that I use, okay, using CorelDraw. I'll make this bigger, okay. This is what I'm gonna do here. So we're gonna grab this first logo, grab it here, and go weld. Boom, gold. You do the same with this one, grab, weld, gold. All right, now let's get rid of this. And I'll show you here the background I'm gonna add. I'm gonna get rid of this. All right, so I got my logos here. I got rid of the extras, and now I'm gonna add a nice background. I suggest you use black, but also red looks good, but it has to be like a dark red. I'll show you here. All right, so whenever you're gonna make a cell on Etsy, you wanna be sure to make it look nice. You're gonna put these logos, put all the logos that you make, and make it gold and contrast with black, so that way it grabs the attention, like the one we saw here, like these ones. You see, that's why they look nice. That's why they make it sell, because with Photoshop it's easier to get this effect, but with CorelDraw it's a little more complex. It's a little different because the software, it's for different purpose. The one I have is for making t-shirts, but there's also CorelDraw versions for graphic designing. But I mean, you can still do this. You find ways to do it. Just put your whatever you're selling, logos for your price, and do that, so that way you get the attention. But anyway, this is I just wanted to show you how you can make money from Etsy selling your digital downloads. Sell these logos for PDF format, PNG, whatever you want to do. Sell them for a price, and you can make money on Etsy. It's trending right now. Digital downloads are becoming a thing on Etsy. So thank you. Hopefully you guys like this video, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe. And I'm gonna show you quick here the red. You can do red, just do royal red or dark red, I mean, whatever you want to do. It looks nice, it's whatever you want to put your background, but I prefer black. Sometimes blue, navy blue looks good too, or the red one here. It's whatever you want to do, looks good. Thank you. Give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.